Hello everybody, this is Anson from AnsonAlex.com, and I'm back today with a quick little video regarding Gmail. This isn't really another part of my 2013 video series on using Gmail. It's just a quick tip. It's actually a question that was brought in from one of my viewers. I think he messaged me via Facebook. The question is, how can you change the subject of an email when forwarding that email? And that is really the same question as how can you change the subject of an email when you're replying to that email? And that's a great question because in the new Gmail Compose, the new Gmail inbox experience, it makes it a little bit more difficult than before. So let's go ahead and let's take a look. To change the subject when replying, I'm just going to open up any email that I have, doesn't matter. So I got this email, I want to reply, but I want it to be a different subject than how to use Gmail with Google Apps. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to either scroll to the bottom or I could have done it at the top right, and I'm going to click reply. Now, you'll see Gmail pops up with this little tutorial for me. I'm just going to skip through that. But you'll notice that in this reply, it has the person that I'm going to send the email to, but there's no subject field for me to edit, for me to change the subject. So what I can do is I can go ahead and click on this drop down up here at the top left of my new Compose area down here. And you'll notice that one of the options is to edit the subject. If I click on that, this message then pops up, and I can go ahead and I can change this subject right here. I can just type in new subject. And then I could go ahead and send off this email. So I'm just going to discard this draft for now, and we're going to talk about kind of the same thing when forwarding an email. It's the exact same process. I have this email, I want to forward it to another one of my coworkers. I go ahead and I click the forward button down here at the bottom. You'll notice, again, no subject field. If I click on the drop down to the left of the to field, I get the option to edit the subject. It pops up again in that little mini edit window, and I can go ahead and I can change the subject to test subject. So that's how you can change the subject in Gmail when you are either replying to or forwarding an email. If you didn't see it yet, check out the rest of my video series on using Gmail here in 2013. There are 9 parts to the series so far, so it's pretty much everything you need to know about Gmail, except how to change the subject when forwarding and replying, because that's what this video goes over. If this video helped, I would really appreciate a thumbs up here on YouTube. And if you want to see more technology tips and tutorials, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That's all I've got for you for now. It's Anson from AnsonAlex.com.